Okay, let's talk about requirements, specifically requirements as written in a solicitation document. Instinctively, we can probably all agree that it's important to get the requirements right. But what does that mean? What constitutes good requirements? How will we know if they're not good? Let's start with a simple concept. Good requirements are essential for good acquisitions. You can't get what you need unless you can describe it well. That means you want your requirements to be clear and unambiguous, written in a way that minimizes the range of possible interpretations. Both those you are buying for and those you are buying from should be able to read the same words and understand the same intent. If you're buying number 2 pencils, that should be easy. If you're buying a complex IT solution, maybe not. It's essential to know who your stakeholders are and to involve them. That includes program and contracting staff for sure, but don't forget your end users. They are where the rubber hits the road. If what you are acquiring doesn't get to them when they need it, provide good value as they define it, or is a pain for them to use, you'll hear about it. So get their points of view and incorporate them into your requirements. Also, remember that your suppliers have a stake in the game. Any government contractor will tell you that poorly written requirements are harder to respond to and greatly increase the risk of failure for you and for them. So make sure you know what industry and the marketplace can provide, and write requirements that bidders can understand and bid to with confidence. Do your market research, use RFIs, hold pre-solicitation bidders conferences, whatever it takes. Then make sure you have requirements writers with sufficient technical knowledge to express your users' needs in the bidder's language. Before publishing your requirements, explicitly stress test them. Don't just ask, do they say what I want? But also ask, can they possibly mean anything else? Ask end users what they think they mean, and so on. Then make sure you fix any weaknesses, lack of clarity, or inconsistencies that you find. Do the same for anything found after release of the requirements. Amendments can be your friend too. To do otherwise can only cost you time, money, and procedural headaches later. Can you spell change order? And hurt your chances for successful mission execution. So let's sum it all up. Psychologists will tell you that pain can be a great teacher. Don't let bad requirements take on that role. Know your stakeholders, involve your end users, focus on clarity, and get your requirements right.